Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about a topic on SQL Server system error. So this is the error generated saying that order by items must appear in the select list if the statement contains union, intersect or accept, and the message ID is 104. So today we will learn when do we get the above error, what is the root cause, how to fix it. So straight away we'll jump into SSMS. So suppose we have let us create let us take two examples tables, like one is employee table and the other one is person. So and suppose and we are using two columns, first name and last name, and concatenating those two columns, so we are deriving a new column, full name. So in this case I'm using first name plus last name is a full name from employee table, and the first name plus last name as full name from person table. So now I will run this query, and then you see the error whatever I was mentioning, like message ID 104. Order by items must appear in the select list if the statement contains a union, intersect or accept operator. So what is wrong with this query? So if you see, we are using the first name and plus last name, concatenating from two tables and generating a column, a derived column, and then the second select we are giving order by first name. So what is going wrong here is we are trying to sort the data based on the first name, but the default but the problem here is we are trying to use a column which is not in the output list or select or the result set to which is being used by order by. So if you take this column first name, if you just comment it and see how what is the result set. So here the result set is full name, and if you see it's the values are concatenated between first and last name. So then the order by, what we are trying to do using this order by is sorting the resultant set using first name, but the result set does not contain the first name column, so we cannot sort it based on that first name. So that is why the purpose of order by is to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. But here we do not have the column which we mentioned in the order by in the result set. So how do we fix it? So first we said when we get this error, and the second thing is how do we fix it. The first workaround would be, so we just add that column first name in the select list in both the selects involved in this union. So when run it, we will get. So and if you want and if you think that this first list is not required in the output, so we cannot use it in the select column list. So what is the second workaround? So we move on to the second query. We are just using a subquery. So like select full name, we are selecting the full name, but the whatever the union query we are using is in the subquery. So we are taking this as a derived table. So this is derived table A, and from that we are trying to doing this, means whatever we are having earlier, the same query we are keeping it in a subquery. So now we will run it straight away, but we will get an error. This time we will get a different error because the same query we kept it in the subquery, but what is the error? The order by clause is invalid in views, inline functions, derived tables, subqueries. So in the subquery or derived function or inline functions or views, we cannot use an order by. So this is not this will not work. So what is the next workaround? So we just need to place this order by outside the subquery, means we are applying it on the parent query. So the error will be fixed. See, full name from the subquery, whatever we have here, we just removed the order by from this query and we just placed it outside the subquery. So we will run it now and we will see we will not get any error, and it will be sorted in the according to first name. So now we see a dot leonetti, a dot right, so it will be in that way. So why did I show this to you means, so I also wanted in the second workaround, I just wanted to show you when we use the order by inside a subquery or view, it will not work. So we just need to keep in mind. So we are also covering that error in this video. So I think you understood where to use the order by and how to solve this error. So if you have any doubts, please comment, and also comment what you want to know from SQL and which topic you want me to make a video on in the comment section, so that I will make the next video on that topic which will be helpful to you. Thank you all.